This is Ionacus, and I'm doing a review for Transformers Cybertron Overhaul. It was a Scout class figure, and she's got nice articulation, paint apps, got the claws. She's got weird. Silent way to describe it would be weird sideways elbow action. I believe another reviewer called it. Ball joint in the shoulder, move at the waist, the legs go up and down, head goes back and forth, and like every single Cybertron figure comes with a planet key. Put that into the back, and it shoots out his missile. I don't think he used it as a weapon. Anyway, this is robot mode. We're going to switch him into his vehicle mode. You turn his head 360 and push it all the way back. Yeah. Swing the arms all the way around facing backward. And you fold the doors in. And put the arms behind. Clip the claws in. Bring the legs up. And they clip together here. And the feet go around. And a nice little off-road truck mode. And still put the key into the back because it's not going to shoot the missile off because it's blocked. So he's got nice detail on the sides, front. Kind of hound looking, I'm thinking. But overall, it's a nice smaller figure. He was repainted a couple times for Cybertron Brush Guard and for thinking the first Transformers live action movie in the Target exclusive Scout line. He just repainted as Warpath, I think. I'm not sure. But overall, it's still a nice figure. Definitely is one of the main cast of the cartoon. Definitely a nice little figure to have in your collection. And if you like this video, please hit a like and subscribe. Leave comments below. And I will see you next time. Have a good night. Bye.